Guys, I'm going to vote, as an Italian citizen. So today Annabelle did not go to school because Anna had to vote in a school. Okay, so I'm done with my work. So right now she's escorting me so that she will not stay in the house. So I'm going to vote now. So follow me. Join us. First time voting, eh? Last year I did not vote. I was supposed to vote last year, but no time because of work, so I did not vote. So I said this year I must. Because it's also good when you're a citizen. And I vote because you didn't vote too. So this is my card. Clock it. Italian citizen. So guys, this is the place. Annabelle School. People are not much today. Yesterday people are much. So today and tomorrow they will end it. Guys, I'm done going. So let me go to post office. So guys, thanks for watching. So now I vote. Ciao.
Mom, Mama, Papa, I go to church. Metti, Papa, non si scappa, mettere. Mommy, Mommy.
So guys, I have already inboxed it. So this is what NJ order in Amazon. This is hair cream. Is it hair cream or Morbidente? I don't know. But she said that the second one will be arriving tomorrow. The second one will be arriving tomorrow. She just ordered it yesterday night and it's here. Voila. Voila. How many piastres? I don't even understand. NJ. Do you know how many piastres we have in this house? Now she ordered this one. She said that this one is the new model that is raining now. Let's open it. Don't you know that your mommy is a mommy vlogger? Mommy vlogger. It's not mind me. I have to vlog everything. If I wanna refer a video, and give video Lilia. You know, you have to be videoing everything. Hey, I don't know. I can't even see the difference that the three. We have three of this, so I can't see the difference. you know. Even the one she used yesterday on my hair is not the same thing. This one just arrived now. She just ordered it yesterday night. So let's wash and see. So that is it, guys. Continue washing. So guys, nnukwu mmiri zo tata nyani na yasi nyani nebu mmiri. So guys, I'm done with my 2 hours work, my second job, you know. So right now I'm heading to supermarket corner. So I'm going to buy my butter for my meat pie tomorrow, you know. So that is it. So how you guys doing? Guys, we're not no pigeon. We forgot the name, the dirty and the no pigeon, you know. So that is it. Everywhere is dirty because of the rain. So I'm not cornered. That's it. Easter is coming. Can you see? What the Passport? On Saturday, I will come and get one for baby Alex, the Spider-Man. He have already told me. Mommy, I want Spider-Man. Oh no. Okay. So let me take my butter. Burro. I decided to carry this, you know, so that I will buy a few things also. I don't know the pasta I'm going to make today. Music is here. So that is it. So guys, this is what I made. It's only Chidelu and Chidelu will be eating pasta with salsiccia preserve. So here is my white rice for today. So guys, I'm almost done. So good morning. So this is 7 o'clock. I'm done baking almost. So let me show you the first batch. I just ended my life now. So that's Nigerian pie. Okay, this is the first batch. The second batch is still in the oven. Can you see? Let me show you very well. So that's it. Thanks for watching till now. I don't know whether I will still add. So that is it. Thanks for watching till now. And continue watching. Love you and God bless you. Come and book your small chops. Plackets. And that is Pearl. So guys, have lunch. Let's have lunch. So I'm here in pizzeria.
Ma voi siete stramponi perché tipo lo scaricate Maria, vi vedete ancora, parlate ancora e così Simone Davide, cioè del tipo.
So guys, right now I'm in the bar. So I'm waiting for my bus. So thanks for watching till now, and see you in my next video. Bye. Ciao. Macchiato.